Hi, I'm Joanna and I'm going to be taking you on a tour of our biological and environmental sciences labs that are relevant to our biology courses here at the University of Stirling. Come with me and we'll have a look. Welcome to the fluorescence lab. In our last year's study we get to do a real research project. Some students use this fluorescence microscope. It tracks where specific molecules are in cells. Here, they're looking at an algal cell and you can see the chlorophyll fluorescing red. This box here is an advanced spectral photometer. It lets us track all sorts of chemical reactions over time. For example, measuring the amounts of different elements in soils or the amount of protein in cells. Next, we move into the tissue culture lab. Here, we work with microorganisms. We have to keep things sterile so we don't get unwanted bacteria or fungi growing. These clean benches circulate filtered air, so we can work without contaminating our cultures. When we work with DNA, this is where we come, to the molecular lab. If you need to know the size of a DNA fragment, this equipment separates the DNA sample by size on this gel. Then it's stained with a fluorescent dye, allowing us to see DNA when we look under UV light. Check out this scanning electron microscope. Some students use this in their projects to see details too small to be visible with light microscopes. This is a controlled environmental facility. This is where the magic happens. This controlled environmental lab allows us to grow plants in different light, temperature, humidity and CO2 conditions for experiments, like this one, looking at how symbiotic fungi affect the growth of pine seedlings. Here, you really feel like you're part of a special group of people who are really passionate about the environment around us. This is one of the main teaching labs where we do practical work ranging from microscopy to plant and insect identification to DNA extractions. In one course, we look at how the vertebrate skeleton has evolved. Look how diverse the jaw structures are in different animals. Having streams, a loch and pond on campus allows us to study current environment impacts right here on campus, using specialised labs and field equipment, as freshwaters are indicators of wider catchment health. Thanks for joining us on this whistle-stop tour of the biological and environmental science facilities here at the University of Stirling.